Hi guys, and welcome to Rathwulven Bushcraft. Today I want to introduce my personal 5C setup to you. And in case you're wondering why I'm not wearing a backpack, it's because this jacket, the M70 jacket of the Swiss Army, basically is my backpack, containing all the essentials that I need to build a camp. If you're curious and want to figure out how I use my setup and how I build my camp, please join me. Off we go. That's gonna be the campsite. Alright, before I introduce my gear kit, should you be interested in this jacket and all its features, pouches and all the accessories it comes with, just check the link in the description below, because there will be a separate video just introducing this jacket and all of its attributes and features and why you should buy one actually. But then without any further ado, let's have a look at the setup that I'm carrying. First and foremost, up front here in this chest pouch is a pouch for tinder material and a fire steel. Then in this pouch I'm carrying my Petzl Reactic Plus, very good headlamp. Right here, in this pouch, I have some handkerchiefs, you know, just for sneezing and your occasional visit to the latrine. And right here, I'm carrying my cordage, paracord, tiny cords for different types of knots, Pro-Zigs for example. And right here, I have a pair of gloves, just simple working gloves for cutting and other kind of woodworking. Right here is my Dutch poncho, regular standard military issue from the Dutch Army, with some paracord. This tiny pack will serve me as a cover. It's basically usable as a tarp, which you will see in a second. And all the way back here is my first aid kit. And then on this side I'm carrying my water bottle, which is also used for cooking, and a Muda knife. In case you're wondering where I'm going to sleep on, maybe you recognize this hunchback here. Right in here is a huge pocket in which I can fit my Bundeswehr Faltisomatte, which is basically a foldable insulation mattress from the German Army. Yeah, and all summarized, this basically is a regular 5C setup. It includes cover, a container, a combustion tool, a cutting tool and cordage. Everything you need out here. So let's get to building the camp, shall we? Off we go. Just to show you again, here the tarp, or poncho in this case, with the cordage, fire steel, knife, tinder pouch, container for cooking and water, And this right here is the bag that I meant. In the back of this jacket you have this huge bag in which you can basically put your insulation mattress. See right here? Pretty cool thing, huh? So well, this is it. Home sweet home. A simple lean-to configuration built with the poncho. Used a couple of prusik knots here to tighten up the poncho, so I have myself a nice little shelter. Definitely does the trick in summer conditions. Could also be used in early spring, like right now. And yeah, I think it's pretty decent to have a little nap, maybe get through the night. That's what I'm going to do right now, so thank you very much for watching. Have a good one and good night.